Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best laundry mat runner is probably one of the most underrated home essentials, but trust me, it can make a huge difference in your laundry room. Today, we're diving deep into the Ottomanson laundry mat runner rug, exploring its features, benefits, and whether it lives up to the hype. We'll cover everything from its design and durability to its practicality and value for money, so you can decide if this rug is the perfect addition to your space. Number 5. Pauwer 20 by 60 Laundry Room Rug Runner. This rug measures 20 by 60 inches, a great size to cover the washer and dryer area. It adds elegance to any area, not just the kitchen or laundry room. The 5mm cushioned rubber foam provides padding and comfort. Its low-profile design allows it to fit perfectly under the door. This rug is very durable and holds up well in high-traffic areas. The rubber backing ensures it stays in place and doesn't slide around. Constructed with a waterproof and stain-resistant surface, it's easy to wipe clean. You can easily sweep or vacuum it for maximum comfort with minimal effort. This comfy and durable floor mat matches perfectly with laundry room decor. It's great for the kitchen sink, in front of the washer and dryer, or in the hallway and bathroom. What we like? This rug is designed to be waterproof and stain-resistant, making it super easy to clean up any spills. It also provides a comfortable, cushioned surface to stand on while you're doing laundry. If you're looking for a rug that combines practicality with comfort and durability, you should consider this one. What people say. The size fits my laundry room perfectly, and the material is soft yet durable. This is a quality mat and very easy to clean and doesn't hold odor. Plus, it looks great too. Great laundry room mat. It fits in our space in front of the washer and dryer perfectly, and makes the laundry room feel more cozy and homely. Number 4. LEVINIS 59x20 Laundry Room Decor Rug. This rug is incredibly soft, providing comfort for your legs and feet. It's perfect for those long laundry days, making standing a little easier. Measuring 59x20 with a 5mm thickness, this rug is made of foamy natural rubber and a printed flocking surface. It's designed to be both durable and comfortable. Featuring a rubber non-slip backing, this rug stays securely in place. Unlike traditional rugs, it's flat and heavy, ensuring safety in your laundry room. Cleaning is a breeze. You can simply shake it, vacuum it, or wipe it with a wet cloth. For tougher stains, just use soapy water. This rug is a great addition to any space. Use it in your laundry room, kitchen, bathroom, or entryway. It's both beautiful and functional. What we like? This rug is designed with a soft and cushy feel, providing comfort for your feet while you work. It features a non-slip rubber backing, ensuring it stays securely in place. If you like a rug that's both comfortable and safe, this is a great choice for your laundry room. What people say. The Ottomanson Laundry Mat Runner Rug is a great addition to any laundry room. The rug is made of high-quality materials and is very durable. It is also very easy to clean and maintain. Number 3. LEVINIS Laundry Room Rug Runner 48x20. Introducing the LEVINIS Laundry Room Rug Runner. It's designed to make your laundry experience more comfortable. This rug is a perfect addition to your home. This rug measures 48x20 with a thickness of about 5mm. It's made of foamy natural rubber and a printed flocking surface. The size is perfect for your laundry room. This anti-fatigue mat is incredibly soft, providing comfort for your legs and feet. Each LEVINIS rug features a unique design. You're sure to find one that complements your decor. The rug has a rubber non-slip backing, making it super durable. Unlike traditional rugs, it stays firmly in place. This design ensures safety in your laundry room. Cleaning is a breeze, as the mat is water washable. You can shake it, vacuum it, or wipe it with a wet cloth. For tougher stains, use soapy water. It's a great choice for various areas, including laundry rooms, kitchens, and bathrooms. This rug is both beautiful and functional, enhancing any space. What we like? This rug is designed with a soft and cushy feel, providing comfort for your feet while you work. It features a non-slip rubber backing, ensuring it stays securely in place. If you like a rug that's both comfortable and safe, this is a great choice for your laundry room. What people say. It lays perfectly flat, and no wrinkles at all. Incredibly durable and so easy to keep clean and super easy to vacuum. Quite thick as well, definitely does not slip or move. Number 2. Skywin Laundry Detergent Holder and Laundry Room Rug. This kit from Skywin includes a detergent holder with a drip tray, designed to catch spills. It also comes with a non-slip rug, perfect for your laundry room or bathroom. This set is a must-have for a tidy laundry space. The detergent holder features a downward angle for easy pouring, minimizing messes. The drip tray catches any drips, keeping your surfaces clean. This design makes laundry day a little easier. The included non-slip mat is suitable for both laundry rooms and bathrooms. Its design adds safety and comfort to your space. This rug measures 47.24 by 19.69 by 0.098 inches. Maximize your space with this organizer. It provides a dedicated spot for your detergent bottles, reducing clutter. This set helps keep your laundry essentials neat and accessible. Made from durable materials, this set is built to last. The holder and mat are designed for daily use. You can rely on them for long-lasting performance. This set helps make your laundry room stylish and elegant. The detergent stand and mat are useful organizers. It's a great way to keep your space tidy. What we like. This product comes with a built-in detergent holder, designed to catch drips and prevent messes. It also includes a non-slip mat to keep you safe. If you're looking to maximize space and keep your laundry area tidy, this is the perfect solution for you. What people say. Very sturdy. Works great, no spills or mess. Number 1. Bubbles Design Laundry Runner Rug 2x5, Yellow-Gray. Introducing a stylish runner rug designed for your laundry room. It features a unique bubbles design with a yellow and gray color scheme. This rug will enhance the look of your home. This rug measures 20 by 59 inches, a perfect fit for many laundry rooms. With a thickness of only 0.2 inches, it's ideal for busy areas and won't obstruct doorways. Made in Turkey with high-quality polyamide material, this rug is stain-resistant. The rubber backing ensures it stays in place, minimizing slips and falls. The rug's colorful bubbles design adds a touch of fun to your laundry room. Its timeless design complements various home decor styles, making it a versatile choice. This machine-made rug is easy to care for. It may have temporary creases upon arrival, but these will flatten over time. It's a practical and stylish addition to your home. What we like. This rug features an ultra-thin design, making it ideal for high-traffic areas and doorways. It's also stain-resistant and has a non-slip backing for added safety. If you are looking for a stylish and practical rug that won't obstruct doorways, you should consider it. What people say. It's durable and good quality. Really grips the floor and washes really well too. Non-slip backing is a huge plus to help prevent accidental falls. Easy to clean and the quality is good. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.